Hello and welcome to ETNow.in Realty Conclave and Awards. Today we are joined by Amruta Jangir. She is from Sumit Group. Hi ma'am, how are you doing today?
I'm all good, thank you.
Ma'am, my first question for you would be how do you see real estate sector growing in the next decade or 10 years in India?
India is definitely developing at a good speed, but particularly talking about Mumbai as a city, so there's a lot of redevelopment that is happening. And the kind of products that are, the kind of projects that are being, constructed are really, how do you put it? They're very well structured, very well planned. They're not like the earlier projects where
Yeah.
you didn't have amenities, you didn't have facilities and all. So I think it is really going to make a difference in the quality of life that you have in India later.
Well, the industry, real estate industry itself is all about speed, scale, and sustainability right now. So, how do you balance the business growth and the long-term impact in your firm?
So consistency is key, and regular reviewing is very important, and the discipline that you maintain, because the time changes. It's not necessary that the market remains the same, every single month. So being very consistent and disciplined is, I think, the answer for that.
Well, you've received an award, Excellence in Redevelopment Projects, today. So, what does it? How does it matter for you, and what does it mean for you in the personal? Experience and for your team as well. And my second question in the same category would be what sets you apart from the other players in the market?
Our company, Sumit Group, we've completed 40 years in the
Okay.
industry. So we do really have a legacy, and we have a variety of experience across different kind of regulations and projects. So for us, at this age and time, to get the award for excellence in redevelopment projects really means a lot, because that is the market right now, and our experience and expertise has been acknowledged by ET now. So we really do appreciate that.
My last question, ma'am. Since you just told us that you've been in the industry for 4 decades now, so what advice would you give to a young entrepreneur or the next generation entrepreneurs coming in the real estate sector? What's one advice that you would like to give to them?
I would advise them to always do their homework,
Okay.
listen more, understand more, and it's very important to see the different kind of projects, because a lot of projects in Mumbai are unique in their own ways, let it be in technical terms or legal terms. So it's very important to do your homework and really understand the project thoroughly before committing to it.
I'll just add one more question to this. Talking about the projects and the redevelopment projects, especially in your company, what are the new things that Sumit Group is actually seeing, looking forward to in the next few months? What are the new projects that are coming in?
So thank you for that question.
Yeah.
So we are very excited for this huge project that is coming, which is in cluster redevelopment at it's at Mahim. So there's a combination of societies. It is right next to Hinduja Hospital and 100 meters from the sea. So we are really excited about that. And we are upcoming with a certain commercial project in Borivali as well. So we're
Okay.
excited about that as well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was great talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.